Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be drinking. Look, smoking. Look, swearing. Look, you've been warned. Look, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, woo, Christian, Muslim, Jew, all yeah, dogs and cats. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's the greatest, the ultimate. Yes. The pinnacle. The pinnacle of all crypto shows. Kind of. I mean, at least you're listening to a 19-year investor. Look, so we got a great show for you today, brothers. Bang! All right. We're going to talk about Monero. So it's going to be a little eclectic. There's a few things I have to say, and then I got to warn you guys about something because I don't want you guys to get fucked up. But the stories are going to be this. Monero futures, bang, launching the buy. So that Monero thing, we're going to read about that. Chiina. What the fuck, Shomari? China legalization of exchanges. Now, you might have heard about that, and I'm going to show you about that, but it's not true. It's not true. Not yet, so don't worry. But I don't want you to get too excited. And then, bang, UK banking on Factom. This Factom thing, man, we read that thing. I'm telling you right now. Oh, man, there's a huge piece of my warehouse. I don't tell you what to buy. I don't tell you what to do with your money, but I give my opinion. Factom is going to be in my warehouse with major representation. I'll tell you that, with major representation. And then we'll do shout outs and daily summary. So bang. Let's begin how we begin. Bang. Yes, and I got to warn you guys about something, so we'll get there when we get there. Bang. For the American brothers. All right. Just make sure everything's in order. All right. Everything is in order. Look. Let's do a refresh. Oh, hey, let me get myself situated here. Yeah. Look. Now we got Bitcoin. 9,319. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 9,238. So, I don't know, what is that? About $80 up? Something like that? Yes. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Litecoin, Binance Coin, EOS, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar. Let's look at the market moves of the day, brothers. Yes, well, single digits up, single digits down. 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 All right, 2. Single digits up to single digits down. All right, let's see who lost money today. If you see anything in here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Bang! He's not much sales today. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Swipe, Ardor, Maker, Engine Coin, Lisk, Energy, Tezos, Carrot Gold Coin, Dai, and Educare. Let's see who made money today, brothers. Bang! There's some nice earnings. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. In earnings. Bytem, Chills, Algorand, Lambda, MadeSafe Coin, Centrality, IXEC RLC, Augur, Hypercash, and Ontology. Let's look at the total market moves, total market cap of the day, brothers. We got 246 or 8? 248.7, all right. 248.7 in total market cap today, brothers. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 246.4. So we've gone up $2.3 billion in total market cap. Let's look at the volume. You see volume is still sliding more. You see how we're sliding down again? So total volume of the day, brothers, is 74.6. And fuck. Well, when I left you yesterday, it was at exactly $84 billion in 24-hour volume. So we went out $10 billion of volume. Now, this is the weekend as well. Remember, and I told you guys, usually people pull money out of the markets on the weekends, like real professional traders and stuff. So that could be part of that. So it's going to be interesting for me to see, do we go back up? once for the Tuesday show, what are we looking like on Tuesday when I talk to you guys next after this show? Or is this are we still staying down here? Because remember we talked about this. We were at around the $50 billion, range of daily volumes, right? All year, right? We've been 50, around the 50s, right? And so I want to see, are we going to go back down to 50, or is this 70? Are we down to 74 right now? Just because it's a weekend thing, and let's see if it goes back up next week. You get what I'm saying? All right, don't worry about it. We'll talk about that shit next week when it happens. Wow, when whatever is going to happen happens. All right. So like I said, it's a strange little show. So let me first just start with this, just to get this crap out of the way. I'm not going to do it. So crypto exchange Huobi to freeze U.S. accounts by mid-November. So we're not going to read the whole story. It says it right there. Singapore-based crypto exchange Huobi is set to freeze accounts controlled by U.S. residents. So I'm bringing this up, obviously, for my U.S. brothers. Brothers. All right, so be prepared. If you're on Huobi. Actually, I haven't really heard many of you say it, but I'm sure there's a couple sprinkled in there of you guys that do have this, who are on this exchange. So they were going to freeze accounts controlled by U.S. residents in an effort to crack down on those individuals violating the user agreement. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so the user accounts will be frozen on November 13th. Okay? So get your stuff off. What do you got? You got 11 days, okay? If you're on Huobi. All right. I just wanted to, that's just a little something for the U.S. boys. Right. You guys got to sneak in and still use your American accounts over there. Yeah, they found you. They tracked you down. They tracked you down, making it sound all horrid. But they know who you are now. And so if you're one of these Huobi guys, these American guys who still snuck in, just the jig is up. Okay, get your shit off of there by, all right, November 13th. Okay, so that's that. That's not one of the stories. I just wanted to bring that up. That's for the brothers. Now, back. Now we're talking money. All right, so remember, Americans, get your shit off Huobi. They caught you. Okay, they know who you are now, so don't fuck with your money like that, all right? It ain't that serious. Just move it somewhere else. All right. Yes, protect my subscribers. Yes, can't have my subscribers going bankrupt on me. That'll suck. Comments will look all shit. My YouTube comments would look all shitty. Look, guys crying on there and shit. Can't have that. No. All right, guys, though, but seriously, okay, so let's move forward, okay? All right, you've been warned. All right, so now Monero futures begin trading on Dubai-based crypto. Bang! Now, I said this the other day, or yesterday when we did it, but now I'm going to say it again. This is what we need. Right? Everything is Bitcoin. Bitcoin swaps, Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin ETFs. What else are we getting here? Bitcoin options. Yeah, we need more. All of it. We need VeChain futures, VeChain options, VeChain swaps, Monero. Oh, well, here we go. Cardanos. All of them. Hey, all of them. Yeah, all of them, Shomari? Fuck yes, all of them. All of them with every investment vehicle you can attach to it. That's what we need. That's the true nature. That's when we're mature. That's why when you hear me say, this is an immature market, that's what I mean. There is nothing here yet. There's fuck all here yet. Couple fucking futures and ETPs going on in Europe. We got a couple Bitcoin futures going on here in America. That's it. That's it, the whole space. Other than that, it's retail investors buying off of exchanges. But in terms of institutional grade stuff, bang, that's all we've got. And that's why when I say you will be rich, believe me, look at the prices of stuff now. These are retailers here. The institutions have not even begun to arrive yet. They're not even able to arrive yet. That's what's holding back the tsunami. Like I used to tell, if you're new here, I used to tell the brothers here all the time, look, there's a tsunami of money coming. You're in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity here. Okay? I'm not just saying that just to say it. I don't care. I don't make money off this shit. Right? I'm telling you the truth as a 19-year killer, 19-year investor. Right? My money makes me money. I'm a professional investor. That's what I do. And when I tell you something, you see me here at this market, yeah, you know why I'm here in crypto land? Yeah, because there's a tsunami of money coming. I don't give a fuck about your fucking little revolution, your little dreams of, banking, helping the unbanked, and, magically everyone's going to want to buy Bitcoin and coffee. Fuck all that. I'm a killer, and I'm here for one thing: straight cash, homie. And when I tell you that there is straight cash coming here, you better fucking believe it. There is a tsunami of money that's going to come on the way, but it can't get here without the investment vehicles. Yeah, that money rides the vehicles. Yeah, it rides the options. It rides the futures. Without futures and options, that they're not going to do, institutional investors are not going to do the shit that we put up with, buying crap off of these little exchanges that get hacked every day. They're not going to put up with that. And they need investment vehicles to arrive. That's why when I tell you, this is a once-in-a-lifetime thing you're in. Once in a lifetime. Look, I'm 45 years old. I was alive for the dot-com bubble. I was in university then. And all my dad and all his buddies, they were making so much money, right? This new technology came out, tech, high-fiving each other, making all sorts of money. That's exactly what's going to happen here. But we need the investment vehicles, right? That's why when I say you're in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, it's not only once in a lifetime, but it's once in a lifetime for a special reason. This is the only time in history where the average guy, you little worker bee, 9-to-5 guy, you have the asset that the institution wants, that the institutions, the mega rich, whatever you want to call them, that they want, right? Usually what happens, right? They get the Facebook, they get the Uber, the Microsoft shares, whatever. Then they IPO it to us. Yeah, well, things are fucking a little different now, aren't they? Yeah, things are fucking a little different this time, aren't they? This time the regular man has the asset first. That the rich man wants. Oh yeah, and unlike other times in history, where the rich man is just able to take from the weak man, the small man, can't do it this time. Not this time. Things are a little fucking different this time. He's got to come here and he's got to pay goods. He's got to up that money, brothers. Oh, we're going to charge him a good old premium. We're going to charge him a real nice premium for our goods. Understand? That's why we're building cryptocurrency warehouse. Bang! That's why you build your cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! That's why you build your cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! That's why you put working product in your cryptocurrency warehouse. Anything that is generating revenue, you put it in that fucking warehouse and you just keep piling it in. Because the institutional investor wants it. The rich man wants these assets. The rich man looks and says, how does these motherfuckers, these know-nothing peon little shits, have this great asset shit and I don't have it? Well, I want to come get it. How do you know they're going to come get it, Shomari? Well, you don't have fucking little Winklevoss twins putting in multi-million-dollar ETF applications over and over and over again. Okay? You don't have Bitwise over and over and over again. You don't have places like Bakkt who kept applying and applying and applying and finally just said, fuck this, we're going to self-certify. Remember that, brothers? Remember that? Bakkt self-certified. Homeboy Sprecher, the CEO, he was hearing at the country club, come on, motherfucker, we need this. He was like, all right, brothers. All right, guys, shit. I'll self-certify. Right? He kept trying to apply and apply and apply like a nice guy. Yeah, fuck all that. We're just going to self-certify and get this shit going. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I mean. And that's how when I tell you to accumulate, working product, revenue-generating product. Now, look, I know a lot of you guys have a bunch of crypto in your fucking shit that in your portfolios that isn't even doing anything yet. So I don't condone that behavior. It's your money. I don't tell a man what to do with his money. It's yours. But what I do preach around here is very simple. If that motherfucker is generating revenue, VeChain, IOTA, look, you pile it in. Pile it in. Because when these institutional investors finally get to arrive, and they're going to get to arrive, make no doubt about it, they will not be left out of this party. You think they're going to sit around here and just watching a whole industry grow and just a bunch of little fucks like us making all this money off it? Fuck no. Fuck no. Which is good. Good. Come get my shit. I bought it just to sell it to you, you motherfuckers. You understand? That's why you're in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and that's why you have to take every effort. Just like that. If you're my age, I'm 45 years old, guys. This year is 45 for me. If you're my age, you were here for the dot-com bubble. You remember that. Right? Remember that? Remember the frenzy? That's what's going to happen once these floodgates are open. Now, why are you preaching all about that? Because, bang, this is the beginnings of the floodgates. Right? Everything's Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. All right, well, now we got Monero futures. And like I said, we need investment vehicles for all this stuff. All this stuff. Every single one of them, at least the revenue-generating ones. Things like when China gives that list every year, every month, of the 35 biggest cryptos, that helps. Things like this Monero thing I'm about to read you, this helps. Okay? I want you to stay strong, and I want you to fucking fill your cryptocurrency warehouse big. I want you to feel it nice and strong because here it comes. I mean, and like I said, like once those floodgates are opened, once the regulations are set, and these institutional investors now know the tax implications, they now know the legal standing of each crypto and all that, here they come. They'll be coming. And so, you know, it's been a good year in that. Yes, it's been a slow year in that I wanted prices to already be banging, but it's good for you guys in that if you're a worker bee, you only get 26 paychecks a year. If you're a worker guy, 9 to 5 guy, right? Every 2 weeks you get a paycheck, probably on a Thursday or Friday. You only get 26 of them a year. So if you're smart, you'll take a little bit out of each one and just keep building that cryptocurrency warehouse. Bang, big, bang, nice, bang with working product. Yes. Because when the floodgates finally do open, and they are going to open, a tsunami of money is on the way. And like I used to say last year, and I'll do it again, I haven't done it this year yet, you will be rich. I used to point at the guys last year and tell them, you will be rich. Yeah. That's not bullshit. It's not hyperbole. Right? I'm here, right? I'm here for straight cash. I don't believe in any of this. I don't give a fuck if something's centralized or not. I could give two shits. I don't give a shit if people are going to buy Bitcoin with their coffee with their Bitcoin or not. I don't give a fuck about any of that. This whole revolution, helping the unbanked and all. You're not listening. I'm not one of these crypto folk like that. I don't care. I'm just here for the straight cash, which we're going to make. You understand? All right, so let's get into the stories. All right, I wanted to just explain that to you. Okay, there's a tsunami of money coming. A tsunami. So build your warehouse, your portfolio. I call it a warehouse, but your portfolio with revenue-generating product. And when those institutional investors arrive, they're analysts, right? Hedge funds, they have what's called an analyst. Well, a team of analysts. Usually some of them have an army of analysts. Look at Fidelity. They have over 400,000 analysts worldwide, right? Looking at every asset. Armies. Yeah, when their analysts get here and they look at this space, they're going to recommend buy orders for anything that's making money. VeChain, IOTA. Holy Factom, you motherfucker. I'm going to load up on Factom so hard right now. That's just my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. Singularity Net. You know, stuff like that that are generating revenue now with major corporations. Major corporations. You know what I mean? All right. I preached, but here it comes. So all year you had, you know, now there's a little sense of urgency. Now there's a sense of urgency. Zucker's coming out. Zuckerberg's coming out with his thing. He said in June, Libra thing in June 2020. Regulators are trying to get regulated before that. China just came out and said, look, we're blockchain, and look, we're badass. I'm going to read you a little something about China in a second. Right? So the regulators that now they are really on, they're in overdrive to make regulations. And that means overdrive, which will release the tsunami that we've been waiting for, that I've been preaching about for over a year, right? And so really get yourselves now. It's not the top. No. I know what you're hearing, right? Maybe in some of you have been good. You've been investing good. All right. But your buddies are talking to you. They're giving you a lot of yap, yap, yap. Look, around here we call it the yap, yap, yap. All right, let's do this one. Let's do it. Let's bring out the old hits. I know what's going on, brothers. You got buddies out there. They're like, yo, dog. You're Billy. Yo, Billy, dog. Come on, man. Let's go hunting. Let's go hunting, man. It's hunting season. I know it's deer season here, man. Actually, I am about to go hunting, but I can afford it. Plus, it's only a drive down the road. And I already have the guns and ammo, so it doesn't cost me any money. Come on, man. Billy, man, come on. Let's go hunting, dog. Let's go chase down some whitetail deers. Come on, man. Let's go, man. Let's go look for some scrape. Let's go look for some sign, man. Let's go. Look. This is what you got to tell your brother. If you're listening to the show, this is what you got to tell that brother. Look, brother. Now's not the time. Now's not the time for chasing whitetail. Now's not the time for hunting season. But come on, dog, man. We're going to fill the meat. We're going to fill the freezer with some meat. Man, let's go, dog. Look. I hear you. But now's not the time. Bang. That's what you got to tell him. It's not the time. It is not the time. You know what else you're hearing? Oh, probably from the same gang of boys. Come on, dog, Billy. We're going to head to Las Vegas for the weekend, dog. We're going to tear it up. Oh, man, we're going to get all the pussy. We're going to get all the weed, man. We're going to fuck it up. We're going to run Las Vegas. We're going to run it. We're going to run that place. Got time? Look. Look, brother. I hear you. Yes. Shit, pussy, weed. I hear you, brother. Look. Now's not the time. Now's not the time for that. Man, what you fucking, man? You still all buying that crypto shit, man? When do you come, man? We're going to get the pussy, dog. We're going to fucking rip it up, dog. Come on, man. Fuck that crypto. Fuck that crypto. It ain't doing nothing, man. Come on. Stand strong, brother. Look. That's what you tell the brother. Look, brother. I hear you. When I feel it. When I want it. But look. Now's not the time, brother. No, give him one of these. Nope. Now's not the time. Got to get my crypto. Bang. You know what else you're hearing, brothers? Oh, you know what you're fucking hearing. Yeesh. This one here. What's that? The old school brothers know who this one is. Look, if you're new around here, this is called a wife. Oh, shit. And you're going to hear a lot of yap from that. Look, and this is what you're probably hearing right now. Hey, Johnny, when are we going to get a new kitchen? When are we going to get a new bathroom? You keep investing in that cryptocurrency stuff. Every single paycheck, you just keep taking all the extra money, and you just keep buying all the crypto. Why are you doing that? It's not even going anywhere. Let's just get a kitchen and a bathroom. Oh, brothers. And you love her. Right? You got to, be nice about it. Look, sweetie. Give her a little kiss. Look, sweetie. Look. Now's not the time, sweetie. Now's not the time. Not when I got Monero futures being traded in Dubai. Look. Now's not the time. Not when I got the Chinese government bang, endorsing explicitly from the mouth of Xi Jinping himself, blockchain and Bitcoin. Look, sweetie. Now is not the time for any of that. You understand? Look, go paint your toenails. Bang, leave me alone. How'd it go, brother? Because you're like Noah. No, we're just going to drop it all. Is that how it's going to go down? You're like Noah. You know of an event that's going to... What made Noah special? What made Noah special? What made him special? Noah from the Bible. You know, the flood, the ark. What made Noah special, brothers? What made Noah special was that Noah knew of an event that was going to occur, and he took action. That's what it is. He knew an event that was going to occur. A flood. He took action. Built an ark. What do you know? You know that there is a tsunami of money coming to this space. It just needs to be regulated and to get here. But as you know, well, how do we know there's going to be a tsunami, Shomari? Well, because the fucksticks don't fucking keep reapplying for shit all the time if they're not going to bring a flood of money with them behind them, right? You know of an event that's going to occur. What is the event, Shomari? The event is very simple. A tsunami of money entering the cryptocurrency space. That's what the event is. How do you, the investor, the worker bee, the citizen, prepare for said event? You build a cryptocurrency warehouse. Bang! You build it strong. Bang! And you fill it with revenue-generating product so that when that tsunami arrives, you're good to go. That you can call a warehouse, you call an ark, right? You build your ark big, like Noah did, strong. Build it fat, huge. Hey, you got to fit all those animals on there. Yeah, all your VeChains, all your IOTAs, all the animals of the ark. VeChain, IOTA, SingularityNet, Factom, Cardano. Those are your animals on your ark. Your ark that's going to save you when the flood arrives. Because there is a flood coming. There is a flood coming. And just like Noah, he heard a lot of yap, yap, yap from the friends, a lot of yap, yap, yap from the wife. Right? Noah was from Mesopotamia, modern-day Iran, right? That's a desert. They thought he was crazy. Why are you building this ark, you weirdo? We live in the middle of a desert. We barely have enough water to feed our goats. But you're building an ark? Noah just kept doing it. And that's what you got to do. Just keep doing it. Don't listen to this yap, yap from your friends. Don't listen to the yap, yap, yap from the wife. You just keep building that cryptocurrency warehouse ark. Big. You build it strong. You build it fat with revenue-generating product. Because tell me something. I'm telling you right now. One day the flood is going to arrive. And what happened in Noah's day, brothers? Well, one day the flood came. One day the flood came. And all those who had a lot of yap, 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 who didn't build their arks. I mean, he brought his wife with him, but those that were yap, yapping and didn't build their arks. Yeah, you know what happened to them? They all got washed away. And that's what's going to happen, brothers. You just keep investing. You just keep building your ark. And when that tsunami arrives, all that yap yap, it's going to be all washed away. All right, brothers. Fuck, I preached. Man, I brought out the full greatest hits tonight, didn't I, brothers? Look. So, here's the beginning of the flood right here. I mean, it's still just a trickle. I mean, we've been in the trickle all year. We're up to our ankles in water right now. We're up to our ankles. But thanks to China, we should be up to our caps in water. We should be mid-cap soon. Yes. And I'll report about it. So, all right. So let's begin the regular programming schedule here. Monero Futures begin trading on Dubai-based crypto exchange. Don't ever forget that, fucksticks. Don't you ever let that yap, yap, yap fuck with you. He who laughs last laughs best. People might be talking about your VeChains and your IOTAs and your stuff for now. Yeah. They didn't know of an event that was going to occur. You do. At least my subscribers, you know. We've been watching it. We've been looking at it. That's all we talk about here. No bullshit $589 ripples. We talk about the real shit around these parts. And look. Floods are coming. All right, brothers. Let's continue. Well, let's start. Shit. I'll leave. It's only the first story. I don't give a fuck. I'll talk about it. I'll talk all day. Look. I'm feeling good. Slept in. That's why the show's so late. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get into it, brothers. Sisters, everybody. Dubai-based, and that's the truth. That's why I do this show. I mean, say one more thing. You know, Shomari, man, why are you teaching these fucking idiots all this stuff about risk on, risk off? Why are you talking about? You know why? Because I want you to get your peace. Because this is once in a lifetime. And I don't mind volunteering for the job. I get to drink and smoke. I don't care. It's fun for me. Favorite time of my day. Why? Because when these fucksticks come here, you're going to get your piece. You're going to finally, the regular man is going to get his piece of a market. And that's what I care about. I want the regular man to get his piece this time. It's always these guys. They always get away. They're always getting their piece. They get away. They destroy whole economies and no one goes to jail. But look. Right? And the regular man's getting squeezed. Inflation is going, inflation keeps coming, but his paycheck never grows. Well, look. I'm going to help out with some transfer of wealth. Yes. We're going to transfer some wealth from my subscribers to, from these fucksticks to my subscribers. Bye. Yes. Oh, yeah. It's a revolution, in a sense. Not the buying coffee crypto kind of bullshit, but it's a revolution. Not the regular man's going to make money. At least my subscribers are. Look. Dubai-based multi-currency and spot futures exchange BTSE unveiled its Monero futures trading October 31st. Finally, a new type of futures. Not just Bitcoin. The move makes it one of the first and only exchanges offering futures contracts on the privacy-focused cryptocurrency. I don't care about the privacy-focused. What I care about is that it's one of the few offering non-Bitcoin flipping investment vehicle. That's what I care about. That's what I'm bringing up the story for you. So finally, we're getting non-Bitcoin investment vehicles being. I mean, we read about the UK guy. Remember was that like 2 weeks ago? The guy from the UK. He said he wanted to expose. He's going to have a fund or a bunch of funds that are going to expose the market to the full. Remember what he said? The full spectrum of the crypto world. That's what we need. The full spectrum. Bitcoin. All right. It's the famous one. It's the first one. All this shit. It's the first blockchain. All right. But look, we got to get the rest of this shit going. Right? Shit. So look. BTSE is a relatively unknown low-volume exchange that is licensed by the Department of Economic Development, Government of Dubai, and is under the regulation of the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates, according to its website. So it's all regulated, all good to go. The decision to list Monero comes at a time when the popular privacy coin is being delisted from several other exchanges. Despite having proved its longevity, its focus on anonymity entails potential regulatory risk. Pressure from the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, while driving criminals towards Monero and other privacy coins, is also causing some platforms to delist them. That's true. A bunch of criminals. I mean, let's get real. Some people are doing crime with this shit, And so they're going to Monero due to the FATF compliance. Blockchain analysis firms such as CipherTrace, for example, are working with regulators and law enforcement to track an increasing number of cryptocurrencies, though privacy-focused Monero and Zcash are notably absent from the list of monitored tokens. And anyway, so I don't really care about blah, 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 these crypto fucking nerd sites. You see how they kept focusing on the privacy? Fuck the privacy. I don't give a fuck. The point is, bang, Monero futures. A futures contract that's not just Bitcoin. That's what matters, okay? So fuck all the bullshit about the privacy stuff. We are finally seeing investment vehicles being rolled out, that aren't just fucking Bitcoin related, right? Like I said, as this market matures, each individual company, distributed ledger technology provider, blockchain services provider, whichever one you want to choose, DLT provider I like, they're going to be rated on their own merit. And they're going to have their own futures, their own swaps, their own this, just like in the regular stock market, right? Right now in this market, it's so small. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Now that this place is professionalizing, and now that these guys are going to begin to have different investment vehicles to attack different assets within this asset class, all our assets are going to start moving according to their own merit. Do you get it? According to what they do. It's like the stock market, man. Like earnings numbers come out. All right. Ford goes up. All right. It doesn't mean, or Ford numbers are good. All right. Doesn't mean it drags up other crypto stocks. It just means, okay, Ford, you go up. But Microsoft has bad numbers. Okay, it goes down. That's how this is going to be. It's not going to be anymore. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. That's going to change drastically. I'm telling you the truth. Q1 next year, I'm waiting for a lot of new changes and interesting things. And the true, I hope, a transition really now into the true way that a market should behave and stuff like that. That's what matters. Monero futures. Not that Monero is a privacy coin or that. These crypto sites, these guys are morons. You see how they focused on the fact that Monero is a privacy coin? Right? These guys are not market guys. Any market guy would tell you, who gives a shit what it is? It's a futures contract, fuckstick. Other than Bitcoin. That's what matters. That's what's exciting. Nah, don't worry, guys. You're here with me. All right, brothers. Let's move on. Shit, I've been yapping. And I feel like yapping a lot more, too. I'm in a good mood today. Look. So, Biniam brought this to me. What did he say? He's like, how did you miss this? Only one crypto project. What did he say? This article slipped past us. Well, that's very nice of you to say us. It slipped past me. Yes, it did. Son of a bitch. And so what it is Chinese regulator. So this was April 5th. Look at it. April 5th, 2019, brothers. I don't know how this motherfucker got by me. Daggone. There's no way this would have passed. And so watch this. This was back in April 5th. So Q1, Q2 this year, early Q2. The cryptocurrency space in China is becoming increasingly more positive as China's cyber-related regulatory agency, the Cyberspace Management Bureau, released a list containing of 179 approved blockchain registered service providers. Blockchain services providers. That's what I told you. That's what these are. Cryptocurrencies. These are blockchain services providers. According to their notice published on March 30th, the list contained leading Chinese IT companies such as Tencent, Alibaba, and Baidu, as well as financial institutions including China Xishang Bank and Ping An. You know, Ping An is the largest insurance company in the world. Oh, it says a major insurance company. No, not a major. The largest in the world. And remember SingularityNet? Bang! Yeah, SingularityNet onboarded Ping An. Remember last year? Just a little reminder for those that were here. And for new people, if you're not here, SingularityNet, Ping An is running SingularityNet in their systems right now. SingularityNet is this AI shit. No, I don't like it, but look, it's going to make me money, so let's move on. Yep. Now, what's really interesting about this list, so Chinese regulators approved 2 crypto projects. You know I would have said this if I had known, if I had seen this. What's really interesting about this list is that it included 2 virtual currency projects. The first, bang, bang, bang. VeChain is fucking Chinese regulatory approved already, brothers. I didn't know that. I did not know this. Biniam, love you, brother. Love you, brother. That's why I love doing this channel, man. You guys bring me information that I fucking might miss or something. Whichever one of you fucksticks brought me that Factom. Oh, hey, that's another one. VeChain. So look, 2 virtual projects. They are approved. VeChain is a well-known cryptocurrency project focusing on blockchain-enabled supply chain management services. The second, ParcelX, has not yet launched, but will be a crypto-based parcel delivery service. They'd already approved 2. So according to the notice, I mean, it's like America, right? Here in America, we only have 3. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. I mean, and Bitcoin Cash, too, is approved. They're on the Bloomberg terminal anyway, right? According to the notice they posted, the commercial use of blockchains by individuals or institutions require approval. All right. So therefore, the fact that VeChain and ParcelX have been approved by the Bureau is fantastic news, as it validates these crypto projects and permits them to operate commercially within China. You need to be approved in China to operate. VeChain has been approved, and that explains why they're getting all these crazy ass fucking onboardings and partnerships with China. So I didn't know that. So thank you, Benim, for that. And like I said, this is going to be a little weird show. So I just wanted to show you that about your VeChains. For you VeChain holders, it's approved in China. Bang! Now, bang! So this chick here, now I know, China allegedly begins secret cryptocurrency exchange legalization. And this girl, whoops, what did I do here? Oh, I got all stupid. I got all crazy. Look, this girl, she put this thing here. Where was it? Oh, this. Wait, where was that? This. It's a crypto. She's saying, oh, look, cryptocurrency exchanges are being legalized. Now, that's not true. And that's why I wanted to just tell you about that. I mean, they're going to be, so don't worry about that. But I'm just saying this particular instance, it's not true. But I'm going to read this article because there's more information in here, and, that's what it's about. So, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has clarified that rumors circulating about the legalization of crypto exchanges is simply misleading. So, where is this? She put this thing here, right? And then it was this picture here. This is her Twitter. And she put a picture of this license, and she said that this is a cryptocurrency trading services company license. And so Changpeng Zhao, I have it right there, all right, said that no, that's not a crypto license. He says that, and let's read. On October 30th, an analyst claimed that a photograph of a cryptocurrency trading license issued by China government has leaked, indicating that crypto exchanges are allowed to operate within China. However, Xiao and other investors based in China, including primitive crypto founder Dovey Wan, said that it is a basic generic business license. So it's just a business license. No such thing as a cryptocurrency exchange legalization, is what the guy says, or she said. And she added, looking up Chinese Edgar database equivalent, screenshot attached, there are many digital asset trading and service companies have registered and licensed. So if you heard about this thing here, that's not true. So don't get too happy. I mean, it's going to happen. So, I mean, I'm not worried, but I'm just saying this particular thing, not yet. It's not happening yet. But China's blockchain initiative cannot be ignored. But it is overhyped. The blockchain, I don't think it's overhyped. The blockchain initiative in China is expected to solely focus on permissioned ledgers or blockchain networks that are centralized to a large extent, which is wrong because we already see that they gave those permissionless listing every month, the 35. Actually, so why am I reading this? Why am I? There was something I wanted to read to you, though, but right, like here it is. Blah, blah, blah. China coming out with their own crypto. It's not a hoax. It is going to come out. But what else did I wanted to show you? Here we go. Still. So that guy says that. Anyway, forget that. Just don't worry about that. Still, industry executive argues that the pro-blockchain stance shown by the government of China will place significant pressure on the U.S., and that's what I've been saying. That's what I wanted to show you about this. Okay, don't worry about that exchange. It's not true. But Xi Jinping said it. We're coming. And I showed you exactly significant pressure, not only on our industry, on our innovators to make the money, but like I said, in terms of national security. If China puts all their sensitive systems on the blockchain, or a blockchain, well, you can't hack it, can you? And so that's what I'm really interested in Factom right now, because Factom already has the Department of Homeland Security contract. And they're doing the POC with the Department of Energy here in America. And now that Xi Jinping has said, look, we're blockchaining up everything, there ain't going to be nothing stopping us from blockchaining up stuff. And so that's why that Factom thing to me is so amazing, and that's what we're going to talk about next. China is making these very large macro plays. So we're right over here. China is making these very large macro plays. They want to maintain control and be seen as leaders, and so adopting blockchain and being public about it, as we saw recently, is going to stir a lot of interest. Exactly. The Zuckerberg thing was one thing. That's going to get us regulation, but fuck that. China obviously surpasses that, blows away the whole Libra thing in terms of getting our regulators to get on the ball and really get this place regulated. Major crypto markets in Asia, in the likes of Japan and South Korea, have also started to adopt clearer regulatory frameworks to govern cryptocurrency exchanges, paving a pathway for long-term growth for startups. Bang! So that's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about this stuff. right? It's going to stir a lot of interest. Bang. When China says, look, we're going full blockchain, come on now. Everybody now, governments all around the world are interested, and they're going to make their regulations. All right, let's move on now. Bang. And so Factom, here it is. UK banking pilot aims to streamline compliance using bang, Factom blockchain. So Factom is being used here in America. Department of Homeland Security, Department of Energy, they're going to do that thing. And look at what they're doing here. It's only a pilot. So usually I don't even talk about pilots and POCs, but proof of concepts and shit like that. But this Factom thing has blown my brain a little bit, right? I'm not going to bullshit you. Yeah, I never heard about that. They've already onboarded federal government, American federal government, and look, here they go. They're heading on over to the UK. So Factom, baby. Look. Like I said, Factom, I don't tell you what to do with your money. I'm telling you right now, a major portion of my warehouse is going right here, especially when we're competing against China. And they already have, Factom already has the Department of Homeland Security contract. Well, once you're deployed all right, let me calm down. Once you're deployed in one major part of our government, well, it's not a problem to get deployed anywhere else. You're already proven to be working, right? So, I mean, obviously, the Department of Homeland Security did their homework on this blockchain. So once one agency has done its homework, well, the other agencies don't really need to do much homework. You just look at what they looked at, what the Department of Homeland Security looked at, and just be like, all right. I mean, sure, you're going to do your own internal testings, but come on. You know, you're probably going to use it. And not only that, but I mean, if these different departments of the government, agencies in our government are using the same blockchain, well, now information can be transferred easily, right? It's like if one agency used Ethereum, one used VeChain, one used Tron, one used maybe they can't talk. But if you just all keep using Factom, well, I'm not saying Factom is going to take over the whole federal government, but I'm just saying it sure does make things a lot easier, doesn't it? Not that America thinks in such a logical manner. But look, okay, but we're talking about the UK. All right, so, but you get what I'm saying, right? Factom is too good, guys. So, UK banking pilot aims to streamline compliance using Factom blockchain. Bang. So, crypto startup Kinebu is piloting bank regulatory reporting with Factom, one of the earliest enterprise blockchain companies. Revealed exclusively to CoinDesk, the London-based firm is launching the 30-day pilot today. So that was yesterday, on the 1st of October. Kinebu is best known as a payments company with a smart deposit product meant to help companies mitigate the risks of self-custodying assets on a blockchain. So you're custodying stuff? All right. So it is simultaneously applying for a UK banking license, aiming to establish itself as a bank that can serve crypto and blockchain firms normally excluded from traditional banking services. Right. So they're trying to get licensed. All right. Oh, and offer custody. I get it. All right. So this is just a pilot project first. The purpose of the pilot is to start proving some of the efficiencies that blockchain brings, specifically as core infrastructure for a bank. Why not? Patrick, what's the guy's name? Gabriel Patrick, founder and CEO of Kinebu, told CoinDesk, adding, so this is what the CEO says, the average cost of regulatory compliance for a bank is about 30% of its budget. We're a blockchain firm company and felt that it was necessary to demonstrate the features that can remodel that. So I guess he's gonna do. These guys are gonna do this 30-day thing to prove to the UK. It sounds like they're going to be a full blockchain bank, providing custody. Well, it says, right, mitigating the risk of self-custody. So obviously, they're going to provide the custody. Yeah. So great. All right. Here comes the Brits. I told you these UK boys, they're going to go deep. They're going to go hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. That's why I live on British time. If you don't know already, I'm a Forex trader. I live on British time. Look, that's how big and bad boy they are. Look, compliance costs for banks are higher because of how many manual processes have to be repeated, Kino boy. Have to be repeated. So a bunch of redundancy. Kinebu will run Know Your Customer, the KYC and the KYB stuff, Know Your Business, and anti-money laundering, AML. That's all that FATF, Financial Action Task Force compliance stuff. Checks on customers, encrypt the data, and send it to Factom to be recorded on the Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchains. What? Bitcoin blockchains? Through Factom? Whatever, man. We wanted to avoid repeating the say KYC, KYB, and AML checks. Hakeem Mamoni, Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Kinebu, told CoinDesk, traditional banks don't have the same flexibility in terms of how to access the data, of having access to the data, sorry. As a part of wanting to bank other underserved companies, Patrick is interested in also serving a small to medium enterprise. Is also interested in serving small to medium enterprises as well as fintech startups. The only customer pilot participant that Kinebu would name is crypto trading platform Ethbits. Identity Mind will perform Kinebu's KYC and KYB checks, while DMG Blockchain will use blockchain forensics tools like Blockseer and WalletScore to perform AML, anti-money laundering, to watch where the money's going. Due diligence on customers' Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets. All right. So that's what their bank is going to do. They're gonna be compliant. So where was it? Identity Mind is going to do the KYC, KYB stuff, and this company DMG is going to handle the anti-money laundering stuff to make them FATF compliant. Remember, FATF, that's the big thing going on in the world right now. You've got to be compliant. The Factom blockchain builds data chains and then preserves them on the Ethereum and blockchain using a Merc root. All right, I don't know what that is. Factom service, which in the past was operated by customers using factoid tokens, is being run entirely by Factom with Kinebu, pushing data to the firm using an application programming interface, API. This allows us to be able to borrow the security that you get from the power of the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain to verify that your data is what you claim it to be. Carrie DeClementi, Vice President of Product at Factom, told CoinDesk. Kinebu CEO Patrick said the pilot is in line with work from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. So remember we read about the FCA the other day. The FCA says they want to ban. Well, they didn't say they want to ban, but they just said they're thinking of banning all derivatives trading for individual investors in the UK. All right, that's their version of the SEC, the FCA. So Patrick says that the pilot is in line with work with the UK's FCA. So they're in line, they're compliant, exploring ways in which financial institutions can digitize regulatory reporting. In the future, Kinebu aims to also test reporting capital reserves on Factom's blockchain. Good. The goal is to rip out any inefficiency and to serve underserved businesses, Patrick said, adding, many sectors are underserved. Sorry, guys. Because the fuel's kicking in, the cost is too high. But so that's what this is amazing. These guys are launching a whole bank, and it's going to be pure blockchain. They're going to get their KYC, KYB stuff from this thing, ETH-Bits, and they're going to do their AML stuff, anti-money laundering stuff with DMG. And I guess they're going to take 30 days and prove to the FCA, which they're in compliance with right now, UK's Financial Conduct Authority, to prove to them, hey, guys, this can be done, and it's compliant. It works. Let's go. And so here comes the UK. They're bringing out, it's a crypto bank, really. It's running on the Factom blockchain, right? And so that's amazing. So it's amazing for two reasons. It's amazing for one, the British, bang, bringing out crypto stuff, right? Bringing out crypto products. Wow, this is not just a product, it's a whole fucking bank, which is interesting, right? And then, but also what's making me out the story is, bang, Factom's going to do it. So like I said, I'm going to have a new space in my warehouse, in my portfolio, and Factom is going to occupy that space. So look, brothers. Bye, let's get shout outs. Biniam, love you, brother, see you, brother. Bye. And that's where I got the story from. Bam, Biniam, brother, love you, brother, man. Thank you for bringing that. I missed that completely. This is the story right here. This one. Wait, where is it? Right, this is the one that Biniam brought. Fuck, I didn't even see that. VeChain and Parcel GPX. Already regulated, buddy. Approved by the Chinese government. If you had any doubt that VeChain's going to make you rich, doubt no more, son. Doubt no more. They're approved by the Chinese government. Okay? Your VeChain going to $1? You daggone right it will. You daggone right it will. In my opinion, it's time to get on board. Look. Bang. Thank you, Biniam. Let me bang it. Bang. All right. What do you got? Master Barber. What's he talking about? So first of all, let me. Look. Bang. Let everybody see you, brother. Bang. There we go. And then we got. Oh, he said bang, bang. He gave me 2 bangs. What's he talking about? CB News. Bang, bang. VT. Tron. Cute him on. Nulls. Neo. IOS. BMD. Didn't know if you saw this, good brother. FTX launches futures on index of a China crypto. Oh, you motherfucker. No, I didn't see that. I would have talked about this right now. FTX launches futures on index of, oh, this one. We did do that. Yes, the Chinese ones. We did that the other day. Yes, we did that the other day. Yeah, we did that on, hold on. We did this one. Oh, you fucking right it is. Exactly. And that's what I said. Where was that? Yeah, we did this one on November 30th. The FTX crypto, China crypto futures. Yeah, we got this one, brother. Shomari's always on duty. Yep, and that's what I'm telling you. That's why I'm so happy. Like, now they're offering investment vehicles for other shit. Not just Bitcoin. Fuck. Right? We need all of it. All of it. I mean, Bitcoin, that's all fine and dandy, but that doesn't help my VeChain. You know what I mean? That doesn't help my IOTA, my Singularity Net, my soon-to-be hodling Factom. Bang, brother Master Barber. Bang. What's this guy saying? When? What's this? Anyway, who's this? Subsidy land. Oh, he's subsidy specialist. Bang. All right, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Whoops. Where are we going here? Settle down, brother. Settle down. All right. Look. There's Poppywood. Poppywood. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Poppy talking about. Multi-currency coming to. He's a Tron lover. Ringleader. Multi-currency coming to. WN Korg. USD. ETTAs. Bitcoin. Ether. Or ETC. XRP Dash Litecoin. Tron continues to go day by day. Multi-currency coming to win? I don't understand what that means. Anyways, look. Bang. Yes. Look, Brent C. Spy Lady. Love you, Lady C Lady. Bang. Oh, here's Biniam. What's everyone laughing and giggling about? I know, because I had to tell this guy. And I'm going to read it right here. Biniam, he keeps giving me information. Fucking guy never gives me a URL. Not never, but sometimes he doesn't give me a URL and it pisses me off. So I said to him, I hate to always repeat this, brother, but Do you have a URL for that? Love you, brother. Bang. What the fuck? Van Brieden. Oh, we're doing it. Van Brieden. Michel. My son. The fruit of my womb. You stay downstairs all the day. Your friends, they wonder, where are you? Your wife, she has not seen you in 6 months. I tell her you are still here. She does not believe because she has not seen you in 6 months, Michelle. What are you doing downstairs? Mama, leave me, woman. We are now expanding the crypto market. Monero is coming out with futures in Dubai. China is coming out. What did China come out with? What was it? Oh, yeah. They have already regulated VeChain and Parcel GPX, mama. I own much VeChain, woman. My holdings are looking very fat now. Mama, look. What else? Factom. The UK is using Factom for a brand new crypto bank, mama. All on the blockchain, woman. Expanding the use cases of the blockchain. Mama, you ask me, what am I doing upstairs? Look, I'm investing in the cryptocurrency. Tell my wife I will see her after the tsunami. Bye! Ha ha! Here's Van Brieden. Hold on, where is she? That's his wife right there. But look, Miss Van Brieden, we love you. Bye! I'll give her a bang. Ha ha! Yes. Got to give Miss Van Brieden one. Look. All right. Sloppy McFart face or McFart something. Bang. Whatever that was. Fucking weirdo. Look, weirdos. Robbie Hardaway, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look at this son of a bitch right here. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Got that son of a bitch. Look, Ronkaz, got you. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look, Ards. Good to see you again. You're hanging around again. All right. Bang. It's been a while. What do we got, DP? So, brother. Look. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Sweetie. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Yeah. Keep reading. Keep learning. Bang. Oh, yeah. We got all these suspects. Rob. Bang. Yes. Sweetie. She always likes these elegant people. She sends me these little pictures. Sometimes she sends me little gifts, and they're always very elegant and stuff. I don't know. It's funny. And then she says the word elegant here. Exposure for crypto in a compliant manner. So elegant. Yes. Yes, that's my stallion. Look. Bang. See you, girl. All right, that's all the suspects. Look. DKCCB. Bang. And one last one. Sirhan. Kosei. Bang. All right, one last one. Oh, VeChain Ninja. Hell yeah, after the VeChain story. Ninja. You got your ninja skills on? Bang! Yes. Don't got me much of a ninja when you go invest in VeChain. That's an instant kill. Bang! Look. Kill. Bang! Look. All right, guys. So we had an interesting show. Monero futures in Dubai. And like I said, I don't give a fuck about, Monero's all private and all this bullshit. It's all, what I care about is that new investment vehicles are being made for other projects out here other than just Bitcoin. Now we're seeing the maturation of the market. The market is beginning to mature. Institutional players and other players are beginning to see the viability of these companies, the benefits of these distributed ledger technology providers. And that's what we need to see. The true nature of this market begin to rise now. The true nature of the market, right? It was all this bullshit, mass adoption, buy some fucking coffee with Bitcoin. Fuck all that. The true nature of the market is we're going to blockchain up your company. We're going to blockchain up your country. And we're going to upgrade you to the next level of technology, which is the blockchain. Bang! That's the real revolution right there. A global blockchaining. And, yeah. So, Monero. Oh, well, and in terms of our money now, yes, new investment vehicles being brought for other blockchains in here, not just this Bitcoin crap. Not crap, but just Bitcoin. China. Oh yeah. So all this China stuff. What were we talking about? Right. So the legalization of that crypto exchange, not true. But China, like we read, I mean, like I told you, and then like we just read, yeah, the China is taking macro moves now. Yeah, they say we're blockchaining up the whole place. Remember when I read to you yesterday? Yeah, we're going to subsidize motherfuckers to do it. Yeah, we're going to pay you to do it. Right? In the free market world, like here in America, I mean, we do pay our companies to do stuff, but China's going an extra route. Like, look, we're going to pay you to develop everything and deploy it for us. Right? Which is extreme. And so there was that. And then what was the other thing, the China thing? Oh, yeah, the VeChain. Your VeChains are regulated. Let's go back. Fuck this. Let me show you one more time. Let me show you. I did not know. Chinese regulators approve 2 crypto projects. VeChain. Bang. Whoops. Let me give it a bang. Bang. And ParcelX. So, VeChain is Chinese approved, son. China government approved. Bang. Holy, so I didn't even know that. I mean, that. Wait, where were we? Here we are. I didn't know that, baby. That right there. Biniam, thank you so much. Bang. And so, like I said, you know, I mean, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but you've got Chinese government approval. Not to mention what the Chinese government just said they're going to do with their blockchaining up the whole country. You know, it's going to be blockchain nation, and so probably not a bad investment if you don't already have any. Shit, you better get all you can, son. Look, and then finally, UK banking on Factom. Fuck. Right? That little crypto bank. And it's all on the Factom blockchain. So that's awesome. I mean, like we said, it's only a test pilot thing. But, I mean, you're pretty confident if you're going to launch all that. You've already lined up. You lined up the KYC, the KYM. Wait, KYC, KYB, and the AML stuff. So FATF compliance, Financial Action Task Force compliant. And it said that they were already within regulatory compliance with the FCA, which is the UK version of the SEC. So amazing, right? And so amazing for 2 reasons, like I said. Amazing in that, wow, here comes a full blockchain bank in the UK. Told you those UK boys, they always do things a little better. I'm telling you right now, the UK, man, they just a cut above. They always do things just a cut above. Yeah, just a little smarter, just a little, all right? I mean, when it comes to markets anyway, right, they're always just a little cut above. And so here they come on the Factom blockchain. And secondly, the really important part of that story was, well, Factom. Like we talked about here, Department of Homeland Security contract already. They're up and running with the Department of Homeland Security here in America already. The Department of Energy is doing a POC with them, point of proof of concept, and that's going to work out probably. And here we go with the Brits. So Factom is an investment vehicle. Like I told you, Factom is investment grade, and I'm telling you right now, bang, they're going to hold a prominent place in my warehouse, especially with these. I mean, the UK thing is amazing, but American federal government contracts, that is too stupid. That's too stupid. I can't even believe I didn't hear about that when it happened. Fuck. I would have been preaching about Factom a long time ago, but I'm preaching now. So look. Well, until next week's sermon, preaching, let me get you back to your wives alive. Oh, first of all, look. Like I said, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, boys. Once in a lifetime. Factoms. New investment vehicles. Once in a lifetime, where the regular man has the asset that the rich man wants. And you've got the asset this time. And he has to come and buy it from you. He can't just take it. This isn't the olden days, where the rich guy could just take stuff from a regular guy. Nope. Not this time. So make sure to get your warehouse built big. Bang. Make sure to get it built nice. Bang. Make sure it has working product. Like I keep preaching to you guys, a lot of you are invested in these white papers and shit. Just invest in shit that's already doing stuff. Like, and then you're never going to have to worry. Well, am I going to make money out of this? Of course you are. It's already doing something, right? Your VeChains, fucking Factom, Singularity Net, IOTA, right? They're doing something. Major governments, major corporations, major onboardings. Like when these analysts, when these institutions get here and their analysts look around at this crypto, well, first of all, they're only allowed to invest in things that are actually doing something. And so don't bother investing in that white paper, because until it gets out of white paper stage, these guys aren't going to be able to buy it anyway. And you're guaranteed money. Guaranteed. Okay, guys? So look, fuck it. Let's chill and kill. Let's get you to your weekend. Let's chill and kill. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look. My name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Love talking crypto. Bang. It's the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you for having me in your home. And we will see you on Tuesday. And look. My name's Shomari Clarke, and I am always on duty. You daggone right. Bye. See you next week. Get that Factom fucksticks and that VeChain. Just my opinion. Bang. Over and out.